Welcome to my channel Skilltone. How are you, my dear learners? In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about the two most free portfolio website where you can create your own portfolio information in order to apply for your graduate studies or any scholarship application abroad, as well as for any job application. And also you can post the link of your portfolio website in LinkedIn. So without further delay, let's get started. Welcome to my channel Dr. Munshi Nasser Skilltone. In my channel, I try to highlight different skills, the skills that matter for your career. These mostly are data science, machine learning with economics and business, life skills, educational how-to, questions and many more. If you like my effort, do subscribe my channel. Why you need a portfolio website? Because nowadays the employers and also the scholarship committee would like to see the learners or the candidate are well organized or not. Because nowadays the paper-based CV is going to be diminished slowly in future. So it is more kind of a e-CV or e-learning resume for the new future job applications and also for the study at abroad. So in order to apply for any scholarship or job application, you need a nice portfolio website that can include your all the information in one place. Anyone can visit and see, and they can say that yes, this candidate is a well organized person who can organize himself or herself. Then maybe he can organize the organization that he or she applied for, or when she or he applied for any graduate studies, also they can be successful in that particular course as well. So I strongly recommend you to start building your own portfolio website. So this is one of the things that I am going to discuss today, WebNode. The first website that we are going to discuss about the WebNode. So WebNode is a free website, that site said. So it is actually template based website. So all you have to do, you just have to get started for free. Click this one and then you can use any of your Google account. You can first put your name. In that case, I may put my name here for instance, and then let's assume that I'm using a Google account. So you can go to your Google account and choose any account that you like. Press I am not a robot and then you can choose your Google account now after pressing that one. Okay, and then you'll find choose your template option. So in here you can choose any of your template that you like according to your need and according to your background. So let's assume that I'm going to choose this one. You can choose anyone if you are interested. The website is going to be made just drag and drop way. So it will be a very easy and very convenient for students and the beginners job applicants who would like to apply for different places. They can link their portfolio website to their LinkedIn profile or any other application portfolio. Okay, so now my website, I mean the one that I have applied for, or I mean the template I choose, your website is ready. Now you start editing your website. Now you in here you see it is just drag and drop. You see you can choose the title. Okay, you can make bold and then lot of things you can do with this website. So I'm not going to demonstrate one by one step because it is very easy to edit, and I want you to do that. If you have any problem, you can always inbox me under the video under this video. So you can always ask me if you face any problem. But I would like you to say that this is the website that you can start with. Then here the services, I mean you can choose the template name as well according to the need. You can choose the about me, and I mean there are a lot of templates you can based on your education, based on your business, based on your ambition or background. You can do it accordingly. So I choose a random template, and that's why the random these options or tags are already there. So if you don't want that, you can choose the education template if you wish. Then you can just drag and drop your information here. Personalized, I mean this is a pet care business, so you can put all of the informations regarding pet and all that. So this is how you can create, drag and drop an information put in this site. So I can share one of my website that I have created within using the web node, and this is my jobskills9webnode.com website, and this is my name, and also this is the template I choose. And you see here bio, contract, opportunities. If you click this one, this is a free template, so I do not have to made anything. It is automatically come like this way. I choose this template for my portfolio website. So you can see here my education and also my picture and all of the information that I posted in this particular case. I can make my contact here. You can contact, put your names and all these things. Opportunities, you can put your opportunities in this particular, what you are do, what is your tentative things, and what you are looking for in future. You can put this all in this particular area. In the home side, you can put your a tag. You are welcoming your blog. Maybe you are writing any information in here about your information, your name, email, phone, and then you can put some slogan and then the skills that you know. Like for example, in my channel, I always demonstrate data analysis, data science, machine learning. So I put those skills under this skill content. So you can just drag and drop it here. And this website information is already in your Google account. So you can go to the Google account and you can edit your website anytime you wish. Okay, the next one I would like to show you is the Google site. Google site is a very interesting place where you can start your portfolio website. You can use the Google in text applications. For example, here you can see the site. If you click the site, then there will be a site opening like this. Okay, like this, an empty page will open after you click the Google site. Site.google.com. If you wish to go, and you can log in through using your Google account, then you can start doing the same thing what we have done in WebNode. Just put your name here, and then in the page name, page title, you can add your logo here and background as well. And the most important interesting thing in Google site is that you can insert the text, you can insert image, you can upload your any folder, the image or text information. If you would like to add here, these are already in your computer. You can upload from this particular link, and then also you can embed some of the information as well, and you can also use your Google Drive to upload your information on your website. So you can see here, if you would like to write in this blank page, just double click here and you can see all these information that I said. If you want to add some text, you can write down. Let's say if I would like to say, welcome, you can write like this way. Okay, so you can say welcome to my site, let's say. So this is how you can write down. And then you can see here, this is the insert. Then you have pages, how many pages. Now we are in the home page. You can create your own page. Okay, here you can create and duplicate pages, add sub pages under any pages. Then you can choose any theme. So at the moment I did not choose any theme, but you can choose any theme. Theme is something called the color or the background information or how it looks nice in front of the audience. So you can choose that option. Like for example, if I choose impression, it looks like this. Okay, and this is very easy because it is just drag and drop, double click on the blank space, and you can upload your information and put it in the website. I can demonstrate one of my website that I have developed. This is the website I have developed using googlesites.com. This is my name. I can make a slogan like I am an economist, so I am a teacher, I am a researcher. So you can use your slogan, what you are as a student. You can put your main idea behind of doing something in future. You can put that slogan in at the top of the website. Then I choose to write some information of myself. You can also choose to write yourself, like what you have done in undergrad program or master's program if you are interested to apply for PhD, or maybe according to your SOP, maybe you can write down something about what you will do in future after completing these course and all that. Or maybe once you want to apply that particular job field, what you are looking for to improve that particular organization where you are applying. So you can write down those some sort of informations. You see here there are some link like research, academic excellence, job history, contact. You can add all those information here in the blank space, and you can see here that Just drag and drop, okay, drag and drop, and something like this. Okay, so probably if you are happy with your website, you just have to click, and it is very easy. You just double click on that and you see the normal text opening. All these things are already in the Microsoft Word format, and it is just like a Microsoft Word, and you can upload your information in this particular site very easily. And you can see here, you can, the one I have shown in the in here, this one you can choose the layer. For example, this one, the layout, if you click this one, there are 3 layers, right? You can see 1 2 3 4, so I choose 4 layers. So you can choose 4 layers, connect your link of your website. I mean here, ongoing research, academic excellence, contacts, job history, all these things you can connect up front in the home page history. Okay, and then you see here academic excellence, you can put your information here. I put my information, and also you can use your, if you have a Google Scholar account, you can use the Google Scholar account. I have my ResearchGate account, so I have used my ResearchGate account as well. So you can do it very easily. So after that, you can just publish, and it will already publish as a draft. You see here, it will be currently published, and you see this is the publication I have created, one of for my mentor and one for myself. So you can create as many as you wish to upload, and we used to do. Once you done, you can update your home page, update your academic excellence, update your contact history and everything if you wish to, and then you just press publish, and it will be published to your website. It will not be a dynamic website, however this will serve your purpose, because this website can tell you whether you are able to make yourself presentable in front of the academic arena, and as well as in a new job field. In the next tutorial, I will demonstrate how you can organize your GitHub account for data science job application. At the same time, in the next, after several tutorials, I will show you the best website where you can learn your data science from beginning to the end for free. You do not have to pay a single money, but you can complete your data science learning journey for free with a certification. So stay tuned with me, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.